Every human being carries a past, a story filled with victories, mistakes, heartbreaks, regrets, and lessons. But some people spend their entire lives imprisoned by what's already happened. They replay the same pain, the same memories over and over, until the past becomes their present and their future. What they don't realize is this: you cannot move forward while staring backward. Your past may have shaped you, but it does not define you. It does not decide who you are today or who you will be tomorrow. The failures you made, the people who walked away, the opportunities you lost, they're not the end of your story. They're the beginning of your evolution. Every scar you carry is proof that you survived something that once tried to destroy you. Forgetting your past doesn't mean pretending it didn't happen. It means accepting that it happened for a reason. You went through pain to gain strength. You fell so you could learn how to rise. You were broken so you could rebuild yourself stronger. Every experience, good or bad, was preparing you for the moment you're living right now. Too many people let guilt and regret consume them. They live chained to what-ifs and if-onlys. But life doesn't exist in the past. It exists right here in this very second. You cannot rewrite what's already written, but you can begin a brand new chapter. And that begins the moment you decide to let go. The past is heavy, and it will keep weighing you down until you put it down. You don't owe your past another minute of your time. You don't owe those mistakes another tear. You've paid your price. You've served your sentence. It's time to forgive yourself and step into freedom. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not the pain you've been through. You are the strength that rose out of it. You are the wisdom that came from it. You are the courage that survived it. The person you were back then was doing their best with what they knew, but now you know better, and now you can be better. When you forget your past, you make space for new beginnings. You clear the clutter in your heart and mind to make room for growth, love, and purpose. The people who become truly unstoppable are the ones who learn, release, and move forward without looking back. The world doesn't care about who you used to be, it only cares about who you're becoming. Every sunrise is proof that life gives you another chance. Don't waste it holding onto something that's already gone. Let go of the pain, the guilt, the anger, the disappointment. The past was there to teach you, not to chain you. Your past exists to guide you, not define you. Every mistake, heartbreak, and setback was part of your education in life. You are not supposed to live in your past. You are supposed to learn from it and move on. The pain was your teacher, not your master. The sooner you stop seeing your past as a punishment and start viewing it as preparation, the faster you'll grow into the person you're meant to be. The heaviest chains we carry are not the ones others place on us, they're the ones we place on ourselves. Forgiving yourself is not weakness, it's strength. It's saying, I did what I could with what I knew, and now I will do better. Guilt keeps you stuck in yesterday. Forgiveness opens the door to tomorrow. Free yourself from the weight of past mistakes. You can't rewrite them, but you can write what comes next. Every time you relive an old memory, you're giving it new life. You're feeding it energy that should belong to your future. The past is like a ghost, it only haunts you when you keep calling it back. It's time to stop replaying old hurts. Let those memories fade into lessons. Pain loses its power when you stop feeding it attention. Not everyone who started your journey is meant to finish it with you. Some people came to teach you love, others came to teach you strength. Don't hold on to those who were never meant to stay. The wrong people can keep you tied to the wrong chapters. When you let them go, you make space for those who align with your future. Remember, closing old doors is how new ones open. You can't erase pain, but you can transform it. Use your story to fuel your goals, your healing, your mission. The pain that once made you cry can be the reason someone else finds courage. Channel what broke you into what builds you. Greatness is born from struggle, and when you rise from what tried to destroy you, you become unstoppable. The past is over, the future isn't promised, the present is all you truly have. That's where your power lies. Every day you spend reliving yesterday steals the beauty of today. Be where your feet are. Build something right now that makes the past irrelevant. Life rewards those who live with presence, gratitude, and awareness. The best revenge against your old pain is a beautiful, successful life. Don't just move on, rise so high that your past can't reach you. Make new memories that outshine the old ones. Create habits, dreams, and goals so powerful that your old story fades into background noise. Forgetting your past doesn't mean running away from it. It means building something so bright that the shadows can no longer find you. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, don't look back. Don't scroll through old memories or replay old stories. Look in the mirror and remind yourself you are not who you used to be. You've grown. You've changed. You've evolved. The person you were yesterday built the foundation for the person you are becoming today. Stand tall. Walk forward. Don't let your past steal another sunrise from you. Life is happening now. The pain you endured, the lessons you learned, they were never meant to break you. They were meant to prepare you. Forget your past not because it didn't matter, but because you matter more. The future is calling your name louder than your regrets, brighter than your scars. Answer that call with courage, with hope, and with faith that your best days haven't happened yet.